Good morning, Tehmina Khan is here in TK Maths is Fun. In today's video, which is video number 2 on pie chart, we will see extension questions. In the previous video, we have seen how to interpret pie chart if different questions are given to you. So we did 2 questions in that video to get the basic understanding of pie chart interpretation. So now in this video, we will go to the extension question. It is given to you here. So this data is about the people, about the rugby fans, right? They are fans of which team? In which sport? Sport is rugby. So here it is given to you. Total number of people are not given in the question. Pie chart information is given and table information is given to you. You have to fill up or complete this table. So first of all, we can see it is very easy to fill this out. Which one? The Scotland degrees. Why? Because the sum of all the degrees will be equals to what? 360. And the reason is it is around the circle I told you last time. So how will you calculate this Scotland degree? Yes, you are right. You will add up these degrees and then minus it from 360. Right? So that part I have done here to avoid time. So it is equals to 60 degrees. Now I have to find out number of fans for each country. This information is very important, which is helping us to know the relationship between number of fans and number of degrees. Now the question here is, or where students usually make mistake is, either you will do 12 fans divided by 90 degree or 90 degrees divided by 12 fans to find out the rest of the fans for each country. Let me tell you the difference between each. When we do 12 divided by 90 degree, it will give you answer that in 1 degree how many fans are there. How many fans are in 1 degree. Here it is number of fans. That will give you 1 fan is representing how many degrees. So always remember, the denominator is always representing 1 of it will be equals to how many of the numerator. Now I have to find out, for example, in this gap, that 45 degree will be equals to what? So which one will be helpful for you? Think. One more hint. If you know the price of 1 pen is suppose 12 dirham, then price of 6 pens will be what? You will multiply it. Price of 15 pens will be what? You will multiply, right? So similarly, because I have to find out number of fans for 45 degree, so I would like to know in 1 degree how many fans are there. So I will go for this information. So what I will do 12, for this part I will do 12 divided by this one, okay? This price. 12 divided by 90, this will give me 1 degree has how many fans? Multiply by 45 degree. Similarly, because these two are same, it will have the same answer. Here I will do 12 divided by 90 into 60 degree, because this is giving me how many fans are in 1 degree. Then when I will multiply it by 60, I will know how many fans in 60 degree. And similarly the last case. So I have solved it here neatly to get the answer for you. Okay, we're just neating it up a bit. So now you have to fill the table so you can write it like this. I hope you understood this question. So this piece of information we have used to figure out the fans and rest of the question. Now let's see this question. So 3 color counters are in a bag and pie chart information is giving us this information here. This part is easy to calculate, yes or no? What will you do? Yes, you are right, because it is angle at a point. Sum is 360. So from 360 degree, you can minus 90 and 120. So you can add up 90 and 120 first of all, which will be equals to what? 210, and then minus it from 360. So it is 150 degree, which shows black has 150 degree. Acha, this is why I was giving you extra information. In part 1, this is not what is asked. In part 1, it is asked what fraction of the counters are white. Now this is something interesting. The concept of fraction is merged in this question. So always be ready that the concepts you have learned before could be part of your next topic. So if I have to answer here fraction of the counters which are white, it means out of total. So in terms of degree, I have the information. White is what? 90 degree, and what are total? 360. So you can easily simplify. So he was asking fraction in the simplified form, so you can say it is 1 over 4. There are 24 counters in the bag. Excuse me. There are 4 counters in the bag. How many counters are black? Now, so black I have told you are 150. So what is the technique we have done in the previous questions, in previous video? Very simple. 150 out of what? 360. This will give you what is the simplified version of 150 degree into 3 divided by 360. When you will multiply it by 24, you will know out of 24 what is this representing. So let's do it in the calculator, or you can do it without calculator. So you got 10. So 10 counters in the bag out of 24 counters are black. Always write the complete sentence. Okay, what is your answer representing? Right? The pie chart shows type of properties in a street with 80 properties. So total properties are 80. Now this question is merged with percentages here. The earlier was with fraction, and before that total was not given. So you see how question is asked in different manners, but it is all related to pie chart. So first of all, let me find out the percentage of this. 100% is always the total percent. So if I add up 10, 30 and 20, it is 60. So what is remaining? Of course 40. 100 minus 60 is 40. So semi-detached are representing 40%. Work out the number of semi-detached property. Same method which we have done earlier. 40% of 80. Here it is not given in degree. If it was given in degree, for example, it was 120, for example, okay, then you would do 120 divided by 360 into 80. But right now it is given percent, so it means 40% of 80. So you can solve it without calculator. Right. So number of semi-detached properties. So you will say 32 properties are semi-detached. Please write this statement completely. Now this is the last question of extension. I have already solved it here because they have explained 3 questions. So I am giving you 1 minute to think, put the video on pause and try it out. Then I will show you the solution. Okay. So I have found the degrees of French students. Total are given to you here. Now most of the people go for the first method. You know what is the first method before I show you the solution. But second method is a little smart method, and this method is applied in ratio complicated question as well. Anyway, let's go to the first method first. Now I know the degree of French and degree of Chinese students. I know total students also. So I can convert them into students and convert them into students. How will I do this? 115 divided by 360 into 648. Similarly here, 40 divided by 360 into 648. That will give me number of students in each nation, and then what I will do? Subtract them, because I have to answer how many more study Chinese than French. So this is what I have done here. You can see here, I calculated number of Chinese students, the number of French students, and after that I subtracted them. What was the second method, which I said little smart method? Do you know the difference in degrees between Chinese and French? 115 minus 40. Okay. So difference in degrees is 75 degree. So if I just find out what is 75 representing in number of students, that will be my answer. Because he's asking how many more Chinese. So there are 75 degree more Chinese if I see in terms of degrees. So I can easily do 75 divided by 360 into total people were 648, and that will give me the answer. So you see, this is a short and smart method also. So I hope you understood it. Thank you very much for watching. Next video will be on challenging questions. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Please press like and subscribe button to encourage me. Allah Hafiz.